Hello guys, this is Ashish. Welcome once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access all your blocked website easily. For example, I'm trying to open this website but it is currently blocked in my country. So I'm trying to access but it is not opening. For this you need a VPN for your system, which is a virtual private network which bypass this website. So for this you need to open a link. Just type on Google hotspot shield. So this is a Yahoo. So this website will be, you will see this link. Just click here and you need to download this hotspot shield now button. Click on this one. So I have already downloaded that, so I won't be download again. So after you download this application, you need to install this application. Just double click and next, and this is a free software. So after you download this software, this will open like this, as you can see. Now you need to click on this button. So actually I am using a free version, so it is giving me 500 MB per day. You can access it. Just click here and now it will connect to a VPN network. As you can see, now it is connected. And now I'll refresh this page and see if the website will open or not. So as you can see, the website opened quickly. So in this way you can just access all your blog website easily from this software, and this is free of cost. You won't need to pay any charges. As you can see, the location which is currently showing is US. So it is actually using a virtual private network, and you can just access all the website from this software. I'll paste the link of the software in the description. So do check it out. And hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel for more this type of updates, just subscribe it right now. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.